Build the infrastructure that powers millions of live conversations. You use Discord every day, but could you build it? This course, Building Discord from Socket to Scale, is the answer. But first, let's talk about the problem most engineers never escape. You've done the tutorials. You still can't build this. You might have a chat app that works for 2 users, but production reality is 10 million simultaneous WebSocket connections, 500,000 connections sharded across a cluster, and billions of messages in ScyllaDB. The cost of staying in tutorial hell is high. You get stuck at mid-level, miss promotions, and are passed over for scale roles. Distributed systems engineers are rare and highly compensated. Every month you wait is a month behind. The solution is a 90-day program of production engineering from day one. You will build Flux, a fully distributed chat and voice platform modeled on Discord's real architecture. Every lesson is hands-on code, covering the complete stack of distributed real-time systems. This course is 5 production-grade projects, 0 toy apps. You build a custom WebSocket gateway, a pub/sub fanout engine, a ScyllaDB message store, a consistent hashing cluster, and a WebRTC voice SFU. These are resume-worthy portfolio pieces. By day 90, you will have built the complete architecture: an edge proxy, a gateway cluster, Redis streams, ScyllaDB, and a voice SFU. You'll achieve 1 million plus concurrent connections and sub-100 millisecond voice latency. Our methodology is active learning. No passive watching, code every single day. We pose a real engineering challenge, you implement it, you break it, you understand the fix, and then you scale it. You learn the why before the how. Your 90-day journey is broken into 6 phases. From raw WebSockets in phase 1 to rate limiting and chaos engineering in phase 6. The progression is deliberate, building layer upon layer to create a full-stack distributed system. Everything you need is included. 90 hands-on coding lessons, 5 projects, the complete Flux source code, and architecture diagrams. Plus, lifetime access, a private Discord community, live Q&A sessions, a certificate, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Stop watching tutorials. Start building. This course is the exit from tutorial hell. Enroll now in this special one-time offer for $29.99 per month. You get lifetime access, all source code, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Enroll today to secure your exclusive bonuses. These disappear when the cohort fills. Choose between monthly or annual access, or unlock a lifetime of updates and the complete Flux source code for $499. Gain production-ready skills for modern developers. Enroll today at www.system-on/courses/hands-on-system-design-courses- with -java/. This is your entry into a network of production engineers. Thank you.